Yes, ready. I do not want to mention his name here. Such things are still being said. Stop. Our Prime Minister has rightly said that although we have massive majority, yet we would use it in a proper way. Stop. The task before the 8th Lok Sabha is to maintain unity of the country and to bring about its development, and we would endeavor for it. Stop. He has spelled out an outline of it. He has also solicited the cooperation of the opposition to achieve these objectives. Stop. When we review the priorities, we will find that the solution of the problems of Punjab and Assam tops the list. Stop. The government have made up their mind on these issues. Stop. The government have not delayed it even for a day. Stop. A cabinet committee has been constituted in this regard and the matter is under consideration. Stop. The suggestions of the opposition are being solicited, as we have to remember one thing, that in a parliamentary system, if confrontation take place, then the same situation will arise which we witnessed during the previous Lok Sabha. Stop. We have to create an atmosphere of cooperation. If we work with a spirit of cooperation, then each and every problem of the country can be solved. Stop. Para. Today, the parameter, the outline which has been put forth by us is that the unity and the integrity of the country must be maintained and strengthened, and accordingly we will solve the question of Punjab and Assam. Stop. We will take the country forward by making it strong. Stop. This is our decision. Stop. Our country has a society where people of different communities, castes and religions live. In India, the Congress has completely 100 years. Stop. This is centenary year of the Congress. Stop. We have to remember those commitments for the fulfillment of which the Congress has been striving before and after independence, and the House has to complete this task. Stop. We have to fight against communalism, casteism and regionalism. Unfortunately, a regional party has emerged. Stop. We have to change into a national party. First the heart will change, then the spirit will follow suit. Stop. I am happy that the Prime Minister has laid stress on good center-state relations and mentioned about the federal constitution. Stop. Indraji also used to say this. Stop. It is incontrovertible that there should be a strong center and there should also be strong states. Stop. If the center is weak, country will disintegrate. The feeling of regionalism will increase. The spirit of nationalism will get weakened, and the achievements of the Congress during the last 100 years, for which lakhs of people sacrificed their lives, will go in vain. Stop. I am happy that the members of the regional party have expressed the feeling of cooperation. Stop. The problems of Punjab and Assam cannot be solved without a sense of cooperation. Stop. If there is a sense of cooperation, then these problems will be solved. Stop. This will result in the meeting of hearts of all brethren and friends. Stop. In this way, the country will become strong and march forward. Stop.